Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Recently, I posted a video on my TikTok page and it got a lot of traction. People were asking, how was I able to control my EasyWorship using my smartphone? Now, in this short video, I want to show you simply how to do that. So here on your EasyWorship, come over here to remote. You can see it at the top here. So when you click on it, you are going to see where it will tell you download Bonjour print service, right? The reason why you can't see it here is because I once had it, so I went and deleted it with the aim of installing and showing you how it's done. So you are going to see your own here, and then it will ask you to download. So once you click on the download, by default, EasyWorship is going to open any browser, and then you will be met with this interface right here. Just go ahead, click on download. Don't bother about anything. Just download. You can see mine here. You click on this file explorer icon, then you are going to install the that you just downloaded. So I'm going to right click on it. It's going to look like this. You see Bonjour PS setup. That is the name, and I will say run as administrator. Now, once we are done, you just go ahead to click all the necessary process, let it do its thing, and all of that. I accept the terms, and then you say next, say next. So just follow it. You say create Bonjour printer wizard desktop setup, but rather you just go ahead. Then while we are also doing that, please, you will now come over to your Play Store. That is, if you are using an Android, or you can come to your iOS store. That is for those that are using the Apple phones. Then you go ahead and you download this very application called Easy Worship. Easy Worship. So this is it right here. Easy Worship Remote. So I already have it, so there will not be any need. This very one, this one at the top, this one. So because I have it, I will just click on open. Make sure that your PC and your phone are on the same local network. When I talk about local network, make sure that wherever your PC is connected, that your phone is also connected to the same network. So you can basically, turn on the hotspot on your phone and then connect the Wi-Fi on your PC. That way, they are on the same network. Or if you are using like a router, you can easily, turn on the router, connect your laptop to the router, and also connect your phone to the same router. That means they are on the same network. All right, so it's done downloading. I'm going to click on finish. Now, if your Easy Worship was on all the while you were doing this, please go ahead and close it. Remember what I said. Make sure that you are on the same local network. So I'm going to click on my Easy Worship application so that we'll be able to, allow what we've installed to take effect. Once you launch the Easy Worship on the remote, you're going to turn it on. So once you turn it on, you're going to come over to what you already downloaded on your phone, and you are going to click here. That is on this menu. Then come over to settings. Then you are going to, look over here where it says server, and then you're going to locate your worship on your right here. So once I click on that, you see we're waiting for Easy Worship Remote to pair. Now you can also see it right here where it says pair. So once I click on it, you see it has already connected. But then, just the way it is right here, you can see it over here. Just that I cannot play this loop video is not going to just the way it's playing on the system. And then also notice something. I can't control anything. Let me take this over here. Let me take something to the schedule. Once I take anything to the schedule, if I click on this menu, you can see it here. But then I can't control anything. I'm tapping on the screen. I can't control anything. I can only see. So the thing then is that I can even see that here on the remote is giving you a kind of icon which has made it green, meaning that it's connected to the remote. So now, how do I now control it using the phone? You need to trigger one last thing. So you see here where it says this, where you show this key, just click on it and you see it will turn to remote. So if I come back here on my phone and then I click this, you can see it's reflecting, and that is how you are able to, control. Everything I'm pressing right here is on my phone and not even on the PC. So you can see it's very prompt, like it's more like what they say, touch and follow. This is basically how you're able to turn your smartphone to, work with your Easy Worship. I hope that was very helpful. Please, if you did find this very useful, do make sure to give me a follow, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and follow me across all my social media platforms. And also help me, drop your comments, what you feel about this video, or if you have other videos that you want us to, work on, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you also want to join my WhatsApp community, do make sure to find the link in the video description, and you will be there. And from there, we'll be able to take it up. Till I see you again, have a pleasant day.